This is Song of Thanks B. This is for part 2. Particularly, I recorded this for people that can't reach the lower notes, which some of my altos can't. So the same notes, it's still part 2. There is a part from measure 20 to 28 where I'm thinking only the sopranos would sing, but if your voice is high enough, you could sing if you wanted to. But anyway, that's a soprano part, or a part 1. Most of this is part 2. And I'm going to turn it on. Here you go. The end.